YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl F by Fumi, and I'm back with another clothing haul featuring Fashionnova. So you guys know I eat a clothing haul up, but before we get started with the video, hit that red subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. Feeling hot, looking hot, and yeah, this summer we're wearing dresses. As y'all can see from the title, we are trying on dresses today. We're leaving the bodysuits, we're leaving the two pieces, and we're getting into some dresses. Tapping into our girly era, our feminine era, and yeah, what better way to tap into your girly side than with some Fashionnova dresses. Without further ado, I'm not gonna talk your heads off. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first dress we have on is the Kacy mesh mini dress. I got this dress in a small. Now, I love this dress. For one, the colors are like they look so good on my skin. The browns, the neutrals. Oh my god, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, don't play. I don't know if it's the hair or what, but yeah, this dress, run, don't walk, and go get this dress. Fits really good. I have it in a small. I could have sized up and maybe got a medium. It is a little snug. Now, if you don't like your clothes too short, or you're gonna be like, you know, pulling it down all night because you feel like, you know, a little uncomfortable because it's really short, go get this dress. It's not too short. I don't know, I'm short, so I don't be thinking stuff is short because I'm short. Definitely a vibe. Like, it's giving day night. It's giving, you might could wear it to brunch. Yeah, like for me it's giving date night. Like real cute, like your man can keep their hands off of you type of vibe. Like, yeah, I like it. So run, don't walk, get this dress, and yeah, I don't have that much to say about it other than it's cute and you should get it too. Okay, so for the second dress, we have the Festival Hottie mesh mini dress, and I feel like I should be like hitting my fam boots on the ground. This dress is really living up to the name. I think my favorite thing about it is really like the back, how it has this low like backside to it, and I really like the details in the front of the neckline with the crisscross and the choker around the neck. I just really like all the different details that goes into this dress. This dress is definitely giving me festival. Although I do have heels on with it, I could definitely see myself wearing like some cowgirl boots and just like hitting a little line dance somewhere, a little 1 2 1 2. I don't know, like this dress is so cute, so fun, so flirty, so summer. The belt definitely gives it a cute little extra pop. I like how being that the dress is so flowy, the belt kind of slims your waist in, sucks your waist in a little bit. So it goes from like loose, then it's like tight, and then it's like flowy again. So I like that vibe about this dress for sure. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to just yet, but I definitely will be wearing this dress this summer. Definitely go get this outfit. And I'll show y'all what it looks like without the belt, so y'all can kind of get a good look. But the belt definitely brings it together. Like, I don't know if I will wear it without the belt. I feel like the belt is what gives it rodeo because of like how the buckles are on it. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up video of the belt, but this is how it looks without the belt. Or whatever. It's still cute, you know, still dainty, still very much festival hottie. But I just like how the belt just snatches my waist in. So, you know, that's that. But yeah, get this dress, shop the look. Okay, so for the next dress, I have the Kina Crochet Maxi dress. I really love this dress. I got it in a small, so it fits really good. Don't have any complaints there. It fits real true to size. This dress just gives me vacation vibes. Like, I don't know if it's the material or the color, but it's giving me real vacation, real I should be on a boat, laid out, picking through some sand, just somewhere in Miami or somewhere out the country. Like, where am I going? It doesn't really have a whole lot of, you know, details like the back out or anything like that, but this is a very simple yet stunning dress. Definitely a vacation piece. I have mine paired with some heels to give me a little elevation because the dress is kind of long, but it's not too long to where it's dragging the ground. It's kind of like that perfect in between. I don't know what else I can really say about this dress. It's just really cute to me. The thing I would change is probably this area up top. I feel like I'm gonna be doing this and this all night long, just because like I don't want my boobs to pop out. So if you were, you know, blessed up top, this might not be the dress for you, but you know, for us itty bitty titty committee girls, yeah, go get you this dress. Okay, so for the next dress, we have the satin, we have the one-way satin shirt dress. Now this material is very satin material, if that's even like how you say that. Like silk, I don't know, it feels like a pillowcase, like a silky pillowcase. It just feels really, really good. Got it in a size small, so it fits true to size. I don't think anything bigger would have been too big. Anything smaller would have just been too tight. It does have that ruched material on the side, on both sides, where you can adjust the strings and make it as short or as long as you want it. So you know me, I made mine a little, brought it up a little bit, made it a little shorter. I rolled the sleeves up a little bit to kind of show the details of my jewelry. But I rolled the sleeves up because they were originally like this, and I thought they would look way cuter, like cuffed up like that. And I unbuttoned a couple buttons because at first it was giving like button up. So I kind of loosened a couple buttons, rolled the sleeves up, scrunched the dress up a little bit, paired it with the cute gold heel, and I think I really made this outfit look like something. It's really about how you accessorize and switch it up, and just, you know, sometimes you have to tweak your outfit to your liking, and I feel like this is one of those outfits to where when I first tried it on, it just gave like t-shirt, like straight up and down. I don't know where I would wear this to. Maybe like dinner. I probably would only wear this dress with heels, so I feel like I could only wear it to places where I would wear heels to, which is dinner, lunch, a birthday party, going out to the club. Like, this is one of those outfits that you can kind of go either way with in your styling. So yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's not like, oh my god, but it's like, I like that. It's like a cute little, I like that. So cute, it's cute. Okay, Fashionnova, see what y'all did there. Okay, so this might be my favorite dress out of all the dresses. Like, this dress makes me feel so sexy. Like, I feel like I should be in an episode of Girlfriends. Like, it's giving me like 90s fine, like fine wine. I think it's the color. I think it's the color. It's the Crazy in Love lace trim midi dress. Tongue twister for sure. Fashionnova always has tongue twister names for these dresses, like Crazy in Love lace trim midi dress. Okay, I couldn't memorize that. I didn't even need this. I got this in the size small. This is so, oh my god, like, I don't know, I think it's the color and the lace and the slit on the side. Like, this just gives me real date night. Like, I'm walking in and my man like, dang, like, you look good. Like, this is one of those, like, you gotta do a double take, like, oh yeah, you look good. This dress is just tea. I love the neckline. I love the lace in the front. I just love how it's kind of like, just simple. I like this little peekaboo thing they got going on. I love the slit. I like the material. I think it's really like how fitting it is. It's really like a satin, silky. I don't know what it is about like silk, but silk just gives like super sex appeal. Like, especially if you got some soft skin and you put the silk on and you got your smell goods and you just feel like that girl. Yeah, I'm ready for date night. I'm ready for date night. Like, this, that dress, it make him keep his hands off of you. Like, Like, damn, babe, you look good. Like, yeah, I know. This dress speaks for itself. Run, don't walk. Go get this sexy dress. Okay, so for this next dress, we have the Danielle Ombre Micro Mini Dress. Now, whenever you see Micro Mini on a Fashionnova dress, just know they're not playing. Like, this dress is so short. Like, I'm gonna have to be like doing this all night. I already know. Like, pulling it down, pulling it down. Like, this is not a dress, disclaimer, this is not a dress you wear around your man because he's gonna be like, where are you going with that on? Like, this is a out with the girls, vacation, drunk night, on a yacht maybe. This is giving like Miami night, like, me in Miami turning up another night. That's what this dress is giving, but it's so cute. Like, I just wish it was a little longer, and I don't never say that about clothes. I'd be the first one to be naked, but this dress, no way. You can't even bend up, like, no. I couldn't even twerk in this dress. Who cares about clothes anyway? This dress is so cute. Like, look at the back. The back is fire. I think any dress with the back out, I just love because I have my little back tattoo. And it's like I have a cute, slim, petite, little sexy back. And then like the front is just giving like I want to just do this all night. Like, it's so many cute little details. Like even the little tiny little slit it has. I don't know what else to say about it, but I wish it was longer. But it's still cute. It's still cute. I don't care. Who cares? 2025. Who cares? Like, who cares? Still go get the dress. It's cute. Okay, so this next dress is called the Cross Me Mini Tube Dress. And I feel like the name just kind of speaks for itself. Crosses. It's a mini dress and it's tube. It's really cute, really simple. It's not a whole lot of razzle dazzle other than these like cute little crosses on it. I like that it's a tube dress and it's like mini. I don't really have a lot of mini tube dresses, but this dress is really cute. I got it in a small. It fits true to size. Material feels, you know, just kind of like, it's comfortable. I feel like if I would have sized down and got an extra small, it might have been too tight and I would have just been like mad uncomfortable in it. But yeah, a small is perfect, true to size dress. I don't really have that much to say about it. For real, it's cute. The back is pretty plain, no crosses in the back, no mystery slits anywhere. So, yeah, Cross Mini Tube Dress. You heard it here first. Okay, so for the next dress, we have the Colleen Double Line Mini Dress. This dress is so cute and simple, but I love a cute, simple dress. Like, you can wear this dress with heels, you can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with sandals. I love a versatile dress. Now, I got this dress in a small. It fits super, super good. I don't feel like I have anything on right now. Like, it's so soft, so fitted. Like, this dress really speaks for itself. Like, you can really dress it up, dress it down. The perfect length. It's not too short, not too long. It does have adjustable straps right here. So if you want to make it a little tighter or looser, I made mine a little more tighter for me because it was just too loose. It was falling off the shoulders. I love that it's so plain and that you can like accessorize it up or accessorize it down. Not that much to say about it. Just a simple black dress, super cute, super trendy. Can't go wrong with a black dress, so okay. Okay, so for this next dress, we have the Cassandra Snatched Midi Dress. Let me make sure I got that right. Okay, so yeah. This is the Cassandra Snatched Midi Dress. This dress is really snatched. Like, this material is so daggone like tight and snatched, you could barely even pull it off your skin. And if y'all see like me like doing this little wobbly thing, it's because it's long and it's tight. So like around my like legs, it's just like squeezing them together, so I can't really like, it's giving I gotta wobble to walk. It's giving date night for sure, for sure, for sure. Date night, girls night out, dinner, definitely a dressy dress. I like the details around the neck, how it has this like snatched little turtleneck collar choker vibe going on. It does have like little buttons in the back, so if you know didn't want it to be too tight, I guess you could maybe like loosen a button up. But being that this thing is so tight, it feels like somebody's like choking me. This is one dress I can say I could have sized up and got a medium in just because of how tight it is, but it does snatch you up, not gonna lie. It's not one of those dresses you go and party and dance in. Like, no, this is a sit down, look cute, legs crossed type of vibe. If you can even cross your legs in this dress. This dress is really cute, super snatched. I like the back being out. I know I love a good back out dress. But yeah, what y'all think? Is it giving like what it's supposed to give? Or like what y'all gotta say about it? I think it's cute. I think it's I give it a 8 out of 10 just because it's super, super tight. But if it was a medium, I probably would have gave it a 10 out of 10. And I have it paired with some heels. The heels I have on are super tight as well. So I'm gonna wrap this dress up because yeah, everything is just tight right now. Okay, so for the final dress, I have the Hottie Flash 1 tank dress. Now y'all know Fashionnova loves a long name for an outfit. This is really cute. This is like a everyday little throw-on dress. I like that it has all these different, you know, colors. It's real spicy, real cute. I really got it because it was pink and I can't turn down nothing pink. I feel like this is a dress you can dress up or dress down, but I prefer to dress this dress down. So I paired it with some sneakers just because like every dress don't gotta be dressed up, you know? So paired it with some sneakers. You can wear it with sandals though if you want. But if you had to wear it with heels, I feel like a simple, cute little strappy heel would be cute with it. It has so many colors on it that you can kind of play around with. So you can really go any which way. I kind of just kept it simple with black shoes, basic jewelry, just, you know, the basics. But I got it in a small. I probably wouldn't size up or down. It's pretty true to size. So yeah, pretty simple little summer dress. Go on, wear to a festival, carnival, lunch date, you know, just something cute for everyday, cute look, cute vibe. So I give it a 10 out of 10. Super cute. So yeah, go get it. Okay, so that concludes my video. If you guys stayed around this long and tuned in to the end, I thank y'all so much. You a real one. If you didn't, it's okay. I'm not gonna hold it against you. It's way more videos you guys can watch later. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, or anything you want to ask me, drop a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you guys go check out Fashionnova. Shop these looks, shop these pieces. It's getting hot and we're trying to look cute this summer. So get you some dresses, leave the bodysuits alone, and be a lady. Put on a dress. I'm just playing. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time with another video. Happy shopping.